Hi, my name is Jim McElvey and I'm with Optima Batteries, and I'm going to give you the ultimate guide to car battery maintenance. And it's not complicated. Maintain the voltage in your battery. 12 volt battery, minimum 12.6 volts. 12.6 to 12.8 for this red top. If you maintain voltage whenever possible at the appropriate levels, you will maximize battery performance and lifespan. I have these jumper cables here because people use these sometimes. I've used them. They're great in emergency situations, but treat these like an electrical 1-gallon can of gas. If your car ran out of gas and you only put 1 gallon of gas in, where would you be headed next? You'd be headed to the gas station. So if you have to jump start your car because your battery is so discharged, the next place you should try to head is to a battery charger. Don't let your alternator try to charge your battery. You're going to beat up your alternator. Get to a battery charger, fully recharge your battery to at least 12.6 to 12.8 volts with a battery charger. And then newer vehicles, if you don't take long trips, you don't use your car every day, once a month, connect your battery to a battery charger and top it off, because sometimes vehicles will discharge batteries as they sit. And if you wait 3 or 4 weeks, you may come out and see, my battery's 12.2 volts, I need to charge it. So maintain proper voltage in your 12 volt battery and you will maximize battery performance and lifespan.